Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. I am here today with our little friend, our little teacher.
Hi.
Ariel, say hi.
Hi.
We don't see you.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
I was setting up to do this lesson with you, and Ariel comes to me, and she asked me if she could help. Should Ariel help us today?
Yeah.
Ariel, you want to help us? You need to come into the camera. Okay, here she is. Ariel, say hi, everyone. Okay, so in yesterday's lesson, we played a game about the 3 R's. Can you point to the 3 R's, Ariel?
The
Do you want to walk over there? You gonna walk over there?
Yeah.
Go. Let's go a little closer with Ariel. What are the 3 R's? The 3 R's. She has a little pointer there. Come to the side. Point to the 3 R's. The 3 R's. The first 3 R that we learned about yesterday is reduce. What does reduce mean, boys and girls? Reduce means, Ariel, could we tell the friends? You turn off the light when you're not using it. And what's the other one? Turn off the water.
When you brush your teeth.
When you brush your teeth.
And
Reduce
Then
means...
you shut off the light.
That's right. Reduce means you use less of something. So use less water when you're brushing your teeth. And when you're leaving a room, you turn off the light. Let's go to the next R word. Reuse. What are some things you could reuse? Let's point to this picture. What is this?
Box when toys go in it.
You get a box in the mail with a package inside it. You take the package out, and then you could put what inside, Ariel?
Toys.
Toys. That's right. And what's this?
Toys put in there.
A bag. You go to the supermarket. You get groceries in the bag. Instead of throwing away the bag, you could put what inside?
Toys.
You could put toys, you could put paper, you could put markers, so you could reuse it. And the next R word that we learned about is
Garbage.
recycle garbage. But is this garbage? It is things that could be turned into something else. Like, what's this, Ariel? Do you know what this is?
Toys.
These are cans.
And toys.
Move to the side a little, please.
Toys.
Cans
No,
could be
toys.
recycled. It looks like your toys that you have, yes. But these are metal cans and newspaper. It goes to a recycling plant and it gets turned into something else. So those are the 3 R's that we have been learning about this week. Now, I have a book to share with you. And this book is called How Do I Reduce, Reuse, and Recycle? So it's about a little girl that is showing us in the book ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Caring for the earth. I want to care for the planet. Isn't that nice of her? I will start at home. That's what you could do. Caring for the planet, you could always start at home. Let's see how she's going to do it. First, I reduce the trash I make. What does that mean? She's going to lessen her trash. I drink from a glass instead of a plastic bottle. So what could you do with the glass afterwards? She could wash it out with soap and water and she could use it again. But a plastic bottle, she would have to throw it away into the garbage for it to be recycled. But if she uses a glass, she is saving the earth. I reduce energy and the water I use. How does she do it?
I do.
She turns off the light when she is not using it. So if she's leaving a room, what does she do?
Shut off the light.
That's right, Ariel. She shuts off the light. I turn off the drippy water fountain. If she's not using the water, what should she do?
Brush our teeth.
That's right. When you brush your teeth, you put toothpaste on the toothbrush.
Yes.
And when you go to put the toothbrush in your mouth, what should you do to the water? Turn it off. And then you turn it back on to wet the toothbrush again. Next, I reuse. You see what she's doing here? You see seeds, and then she puts soil. What is she using? That's right, boys and girls. She is using an egg carton. So instead of throwing away the egg carton, she is going to plant inside it. Maybe you could do that at home too. I give my brother an old t-shirt that doesn't fit me anymore. Remember yesterday when I spoke about clothing, about reusing it? You could give it to somebody smaller if it's too tight on you. Or you could put it on your baby dolls if it's too small and it fits them, instead of throwing it away. I make a bird feeder out of a milk jug.
Yeah.
It's a plastic milk jug, so instead of throwing it away, she reused it to make something else. Let's recycle. Finally, I recycle. You see this triangle? When you see this triangle on something, that means it could be recycled. But by our lessons last week, you should know cans could be recycled, they're metal, paper could be recycled, plastic, and glass. I collect cans, bottles, and papers. Do you see she's sorting them? She's separating them. I put them in recycling bins. So she separated them.
And the garbage truck.
Yeah, here comes a garbage truck. But this is not a garbage truck. It's a certain kind of garbage truck. It's a truck that takes them to a plant where they become something new.
Toy.
That's right. They could be turning into new toys.
Yeah, I know toys.
Yeah.
I know toys too.
That's how I care about the planet at home. So you see she's watering the plants?
Yeah.
She's using a plastic container. She put water inside it, and instead of throwing it away and to be recycled, she's going to use it, reuse it. How would you do it? Look at this picture. Do you see the cartons? Do you see the paper roll towels? And where she put the paint? She is taking these items and she made a project with it. So maybe you could walk around your house, look for things, and turn it into something else before throwing it in the recycling. So if you do that, guess what we're going to ask you to do? Send your teachers pictures and videos so we could see what creative, interesting things that you could make with recycled materials. So you're reusing and you're recycling and you're reducing the amount of garbage that we have. Well, I hope you had fun with this book and the review that we did with the 3 R's. Now, have a good time with all your projects that we've been sending you. We will see you soon. Bye, everyone.